Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explore with Faheem. Hope you are fine and doing your best. Thanks a lot for showering love on my previous video. I was not expecting more than 30 views क्योंकि उसमें ज्ञान थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया था. So I thought max to max it would be reaching like 30 or 40 views, but of course I was very happy when I saw that it crossed more than 300 views only in 3 days. So that's big thing for me, guys. Thanks a lot once again for that love and interest which you showed in that video. So guys, vocabulary is very important. Your one word can leave immaculate impression on the person whom you are interacting with. एक लफ्ज़ आपका सामने वाले को flat कर सकता है, right? One word can impress the person whom you are conversing with. For example, you are saying ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, or it could be anti-disestablishmentarianism. So the person will think, oh, great, your vocabulary is good. So your one word can leave such an impression that would be long lasting, that would be everlasting, that would be eternal. So for your reference, I am showing the meaning of the words which I am using here also, so that you also are gaining new words from today. If you improve your vocabulary, you are directly improving your personality and your future. So telling you methods to improve the vocabulary, and of course I would be sharing vocabulary with you, right? Let's get started. Understanding of what you read and what you hear is determined by your vocabulary. So I would advise improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary is such a weapon which can win you the hearts of millions of people. It can win the heart of the person whom you are interacting with. That could be your friend. The friend can come closer if you are having impressive vocabulary. Even this word having is not required at this particular place. It changes the meaning. That's what the vocabulary is. To use it in the right manner. So the right sentence would be that you must have the right vocabulary, the impressive, immaculately clean vocabulary, impressive vocabulary. If you don't have those impressive words, you won't be able to leave the impact on the person whom you are interacting with. So that's the magic of vocabulary, right? Vocabulary is such a magic that can create wonders for you, right? वोकैबुलरी के इस सेशन को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले मैं कुछ फेमस प्रोवर्ब्स और डिक्टम्स आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग दिस vocab or vocabulary session further, I would like to share some famous proverbs, well-known proverbs with you. One forgets words as one forgets names. So our vocabulary needs constant fertilizing or it will die. That's a famous proverb. The meaning of this famous proverb is, the meaning of this well-known quotation is that if you keep on reminding, if you keep on repeating, if you keep on revising the words, that would be saved in your memory. Otherwise, that would flash out from the memory. तो यानी कि अगर आप न्यू वर्ड्स की रिवीजन करते रहते हैं, रिवीजन किस तरह से, ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको एक पर्टिकुलर कॉपी बना लें और उसके ज़रिए आप रिवीजन कर लें. सो उसके लिए तो डिक्शनरी भी है. यू शुड इनकलकेट सच अ हैबिट दैट एट लीस्ट वी आर डूइंग रीडिंग फॉर 10 to 15 minutes, no matter how busy we are, but just develop such a habit in your routine. रोज़ दिन में 15 से 20 मिनट तक रीडिंग करें. उससे फ़ायदा क्या होगा? उससे फ़ायदा होगा कि आप अपनी वोकैबुलरी के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. यू विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव योर वोकैबुलरी एंड दैट विल ब्रिंग फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स फॉर यू. Hence, the more students learn high utility words, the better they would be able to comprehend the text. Comprehend means they would be able to understand the words which are mentioned in the text. इसका मतलब होता है जितना ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स नए अल्फाज को पढ़ते हैं उतने ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं उस टेक्स्ट को समझने के जिसको वो पढ़ रहे हैं, या उन जैसे वर्ड्स को समझने के लिए आसानी होती है जिनको वो पढ़ रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड? द बेस्ट method is that you should inculcate the habit of reading daily. You must develop this in your daily routine, that you would at least do reading for 15 minutes. Follow this schedule. Believe me that you would be able to gain vocabulary. I have seen that many people have a habit, they start reading dictionary. Of course, what could be better than dictionary? Oxford Dictionary has got, this latest edition has got 273 head words. So what could be better than dictionary? Maybe some of the words are obsolete, maybe some of the words are not in use. And the words which you find new, I am sharing those words here so that you can simultaneously check what is the meaning of the vocabulary which I am using, right? So if you find the words interesting, I am sharing them here, right? So that they can help you out and you can gain the vocabulary right from this session. Why not? So I was saying that Oxford Dictionary has got 2,73,000 head words. 1,71,476 of them are in use, are in actual use, right? And the remaining ones are obsolete words. Obsolete means the words which are not in use, which have gone out of tradition of English language. Maybe those words are being used in literature. Like when I was reading literature, I found so many obsolete words. Obsolete words are just confined to the books or confined to specific subjects. So those words are not in common use, but still they exist in dictionary for the sake of understanding, right? If I have to calculate that number also, the number of obsolete is around 47,156. These words are obsolete words, like which are not in use, but still they exist in the dictionary. So what could be better than dictionary? That's not the right method of gaining vocabulary. फिर तो हर कोई डिक्शनरी लेकर बैठ जाएगा और vocabulary याद करना शुरू कर देगा. न्यू वर्ड्स, आई एम लर्निंग न्यू वर्ड्स. कुछ लोग ऐसा वाकई में करते भी हैं, बट क्या वो सही तरीका है? नो, दैट्स नॉट द राइट मेथड. तो अपनी वोकेबलरी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा इस तरह से शेड्यूल बनाना है ताकि आपको इंटरेस्ट भी आए. व्हेन यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ऑफ कोर्स देन ओनली यू लर्न द थिंग्स. यू हैव टू अप्लाई, यू हैव टू इनकलकेट डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स एंड मेथड्स टू गेन योर वोकेबलरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, सम ऑफ द guys find it boring. They actually gain boredom when they are reading newspaper. तो अच्छा तरीका है that you can watch some good English movies which have of course some lesson in it so that you learn something. So when I'll be sharing the new words with you, the new vocabulary which you find, I'll be also sharing the etymology and lexical definitions. Now what is etymology? Etymology is actually the evolution of words, the historical development of those words and origin of those words. And lexical means pertaining to the study of languages. Lexical means the understanding of that particular word or understanding of those words from speaker's point of view in that particular country. How the speakers are using those words, that would be the lexical definition of those words. So I would be covering this vocabulary on my channel from lexical as well as etymology point of view so that you can understand them in bigger view on a larger scale. If I am sharing any word, अगर मैं कोई अल्फाज, कोई लफ्ज़ आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ तो साथ ही साथ मैं आपको ये भी बताऊँगा क्या वो नाउन है या वो एडजेक्टिव है या वो वर्ब है. इससे आपको फ़ायदा ये होगा कि आप उसको प्रॉपरली अपने सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ द वर्ड इज़ नाउन, you know how to use the noun. If the word is adjective, you have to use in qualitative form, of you have to use it in expressing the quality. But if the word is a verb, you know that that is an action word and you use that Word to express your actions means in your tenses to express present, past और future. So guys, आज के सेशन में सिर्फ इतना ही. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये सेशन भी पसंद आया होगा, ये वीडियो भी पसंद आया होगा. तो on this note, let me finish this video. See you in the next session. Please take care and please लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. और हाँ, कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. प्लीज़ लीव अ कमेंट एंड शेयर द वीडियो इफ़ यू कैन विद दोज who need the video. Thank you and take care. See you in the next video very soon. Take care.